Boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas here, your personal bartender, and guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Yes, it is indeed, March 3rd. The most amazing thing that this planet can ever happen to it happened. I was born. And thanks to all of you guys that have been like behind this damn camera making fun of me. What? I pour cocktails for all of you hypocrites. So you better celebrate with me, and please stay with me because I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect birthday cocktails shots for everybody when you have a little bit of extra Baileys. Hang on. All right, so let's start with the mudslide, you guys. Very simple, very easy, and super fast. Ounce of vodka. This is not the frozen one, so you can make a couple versions. I'm sorry, yeah, production has is really very right on this one. There's a couple versions. You can make the liquefied one, and it's supposed to be frozen, so it goes blended. Hey, this one, it seems to be like a little bit more in the classic style, so please hang out with this one. So we're gonna go for 1 ounce of vodka, of your preference. Coffee liqueur, I prefer Don Pancho. This is real coffee liqueur, or espresso margarita liqueur. If you want to go for Kahlua, that is rum with a flavor liqueur, with coffee liqueur. So it's gonna be a little bit different, but here, Don Pancho, 1 ounce. And 1 ounce of Baileys. Now, the part that I was telling you is this, heavy whipped cream. You're gonna go for 1.5 ounces rather than blended. Now that we have all that, let's add some ice. And let's give it a really, really good shake. Martini glass, or cup glass if you want to. A little bit of chocolate for your garnish. Fresh shavings of chocolate. Fire number 1. You want to keep going with the party? Why not? B52, the shot. Kahlua, Baileys, and Grand Marnier. Layered, and it goes in that order. So we're gonna go for liqueur of coffee. You wanna go for a layer of Baileys. And you're gonna finalize it with a layer of Grand Marnier. Absolutely delicious when it comes to a perfect bag. And you cannot leave behind the most popular shot with Baileys, the Irish Carbon. Guinness Stout, halfway. You're gonna excuse the shot glass because I don't have the clear ones, but from Mexico with love, I have my Talavera. You're gonna put equal amounts of Irish whiskey and Baileys. We're using Peaky Blinders this time. And this is the perfect moment to celebrate this baby. Bumps away, you guys. Cheers, everyone. And happy birthday to me. Happy birthday! To break it up with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and never, never drink and drive. Cheers, everyone. We'll see you next time. Happy birthday to the boy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gustavo. Hey, Bartender. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.